Hey everyone, huge opportunity for tech freshers in 2026. If you want to start your career in a global company with real learning and hand-on projects, this video is for you. Let's move on to the company intro. This job is with Target Corporation, one of the biggest retail giants in world, ranked among Fortune 50 companies and known for iconic brand. The Target operates thousands of stores and also invests highly in technology and digital innovation. And coming to the position, it's an Apprentice Technology at location Bangalore, India. Experience freshers 2024 and 2025 batch. In this role, you will get to learn alongside experienced tech professionals and contribute to real solutions and work with the modern tools, technologies, and systems that power integrated with team. And the eligibility criteria was BE, B.Tech, preferable computer science, IT, ECA, and EEE batches. Recent graduates or final year students' academic requirements as per the job description, basic understanding of tech fundamentals, team player aptitude, and willingness to grow, good communication and problem solving mindset. What you will learn and gain. You will get an hands-on overview how tech works in a real business environment, especially in retail and e-commerce. And how coming to the how to apply. So if you are 2024 or 2025 batch engineering student with a passion for tech and learning platform, this job is for you. This is a golden opportunity. I think so it's helpful and share with your friends.